Hey guys, DisneyToysDr here, and today I'm going to be opening this Mickey and Friends Big Smile Play Pack Grab and Go, and the cover itself looks so cute. Here we have Mickey, and then we have Minnie with an adorable little bow and a little red polka dotted dress. So we are not only going to be opening this little play pack, but we're also going to be opening these 3 eggs. Here we have our first egg, which is Minnie. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here we have a green egg, and we get 2 things. First of all, we get this heart candy shaped like Minnie and Mickey. Then we get Pluto. Oh my gosh, he is so adorable. Oh wow, that's so cute. And here we have our next egg. And inside we get some more hard candy. And we get a Minnie with no eyes? Oh my gosh! Well, I mean, at least she's wearing a purple cute little dress. And some red shoes. But with the no eyes, oh wow, she looks creepy. Here is my third egg. And inside we get some more hard candy and another Minnie. Oh my gosh, this time she's wearing a cute little skirt, a little shirt, some red shoes again, and she has 2 bows in her hair, and again she has no eyes. Oh my gosh. Now that we are done with our little surprise eggs, let's go ahead and open this plate pack. So this is kind of like a Ziploc bag, which is pretty cool. And if this can only open right now. Oh, we opened it, so let's see what we get. Wow, we get these stickers, and look at this, these are so colorful. Oh, I see Mickey, we see Minnie, here's Daisy, Goofy, Pluto. And then on the back, there's even more. And there's Donald as well. Here is a stencil sheet. And wow, here is a coloring book. Then we get this velvet poster of Minnie and Mickey. And lastly, we get 8 crayons. So what do you think we should do first? Let's go ahead with the coloring book. So the coloring book comes with 24 pages, and on the front we have Mickey and Minnie, and on the back it's the same thing. But let's go ahead and see all the pages. So I think we should go ahead and color this page. Well guys, this is my final coloring of Mickey. And as you can see, it's very colorful. So now let's go ahead and move on to something else. Next, I think I will go ahead and try this little stencil sheet. So I think I'm going to go ahead and write on this side. And here are all the shapes we made with this stencil. Now to finish the touch, let's go ahead and give them a little sticker. So here we have Mickey, and there you have him. Next, I'm going to go ahead and color this velvet poster, which looks so cool, and I'll be right back. So, I'm back, and here is what I've done so far. Well, I've done the whole poster, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I really like the fact that it has like little mouse faces and little bows over there. And I didn't really want to leave anything white, so I colored the gloves blue, even though I know they're not blue. But I think it looks so adorable. So, well guys, this is all I have for today, but make sure you guys subscribe for more of these little play packs because I really like them and I hope you guys like them too. And, well, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.